Project code ITIMP01. Project title Automatic Identification of Intracardiac Tumor in Echocardiography based on blood analysis. In the project, our aim is detect the tumor in brain brain video. This is our brain video. This location is tumor present in the heart. Say first of all, I comes what is echogram, echocardiogram. Echocardiogram is a test taken a live image from the heart. So that with the help of high frequency sound waves is a video taken from a high frequency sound waves. What is the aim of project? Detection and location identification tumors in the heart. In existing, they used multiple model networks to identification and location the tumor. In our proposed model, we used a new segmentation to detect the tumor in the heart. So our method one ROI and second watershed and third blob analysis. Okay. In existing, in existing, they used dual path network model. In dual path network model, they used two network. One is spatial network and another one is context network. In facial network, they detect the low level facial value and the context method they detect the high level context value from the image. Finally, they fuse the value and detect the tumor. Existing drawbacks. Some they fuse the value, they fuse the feature values. It was not correctly in all time and accuracy is less. In proposed concept, I used the model ROI watershed, sorry, watershed and a blob analysis. In ROI, region of interest, detect the tumor part from the image and water segmentation, separate the tumors from others, other parts. And finally, blob analysis to locate the tumor. And proposed advantage is an automatic and semi-automatic segmentation method and accuracy is high and is a fast and a reliable system. In existing, they used in CNN. In CNN consists three layers. One is input layer, second hidden layer, and finally output layer. In input layer, they used a input image. In hidden layer, they used three layers: convolutional layer, ReLU layer, and a max pooling layer. Taken these values. These are the feature layer from the CNN, and finally The output layers will be identification tumor from the image. And proposed model ROI is a value taken 0 and 1 to locate the tumor. And watershed is like a pond. These are the land. So locate the pond from the, for example, this is a pond and a located area. Identification, separate the things. And this is a block diagram. First of all, I taken a video, input video, and select a random frame and segment the tumor with the use of ROI and the watershed. Fourth, blob analysis and a final output. So application, so yearly reduction is a main application. So EC2 diagnosis process is a medical essential in medical field. In future, they used different future models or segmented model, segmented methods. And finally, we used the system in MATLAB 2018A. So why using this software mean is easy to learn and is a highly understandable language, and it consists many easy toolboxes. Hardware requirement in MATLAB 64-bit processor is mandatory operating processor. So finally, we detect tumors with the help of ROI and watershed and blob analysis perfectly detected. Thank you.